Hi everyone. How's everybody in the class?
Good.
What about rest of you guys? Is rest of the class present or not? You guys can speak up, okay? Use your mouth and
Okay,
unmute yourself. Please speak
okay,
up.
okay.
All right, great guys.
Fine, Nexus. Going good.
Great, great, great. All right, so do interact in the class. It feels good. All right. So today's topic is not very big. We will be majorly focusing on some locators. Okay, think it of as a revision class. All right. Then from tomorrow, we will be focusing on one more part that is iframes and alerts in the playwright. And after that, our front end automation would be completed. And then we will be moving towards hybrid automation that would be API plus front end automation. Okay. So today is not a very big lecture. It will be more about revisions and some very short new topics. Okay, not topics, only topic I should say. All right. All right, guys. Just for the information, I would like to tell you guys that we have completed 46% of the total course. And today, most probably today, we will be done with 50% of the course. All right.
Okay, Nikhil.
Okay.
All right. So, okay,
Sir, I
I
have one query. Suppose in a real-time project, if any small model will be there, so suppose they are asking to do using playwright automation. So without like framework also we can do like normal script we can write and we can do that. Yeah.
I didn't got your question. Can you repeat it with more clarity?
Yeah, sir. So, because a project will be there, like any registration or login model will be there. So we have to do that. So we can use that framework only, or without framework also we can do that. Yeah.
See, most probably, if you will be asked to do a code in an interview, you will be asked to write up script, not framework. Majorly, theoretical questions will be asked from the framework part, and if you will be asked to do, you will be asked to do most probably scripting. And as I told you, questions related to for loop, scanning the pages, drop down, these are most important part of scripting questions in an interview. Okay, clear?
Yes.
All right. All right, so I would be okay. Before I share my screen, I want you guys to turn on your cameras. Mine is already turned on. As soon as I will share my screen, you will see my face. Okay, so you guys have to do it on your own. Okay, I don't like to call you guys daily name by name, and you guys have to turn it on.
One more thing I heard that like Java Selenium, yeah, Playwright is not supporting that much. Whatever boom now AI is coming, like Selenium 5 is coming. So as compared to Playwright, it will be fast and can take a too much load. We can and not supporting too much features in Playwright. I heard so. It is correct, yeah.
Have you completed the playwright?
No, 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 sir.
See, playwright do support AI. Okay, we have integration of MCP servers which help Playwright supports AI. Okay, and talking about the features, Playwright support all the features of the Selenium in minimal things. Okay, if you will dive into Selenium, there is a lot of things to do. But to do the lot of things, you have to write a lot of code. Okay, and in Playwright you can do it simply. Okay, you need not to dive into too much details. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Playwright can do everything that Selenium can do, but again, no comparing. Playwright is Playwright and Selenium is Selenium. Okay, all right. I would just say that Playwright is the tech stack for modern technologies and Selenium is the legacy. Okay, all right. Just want to ask you guys one thing. We have tried two ways. The one way is which I tell the story first and then we move to the code. And the second way that we did in the class yesterday, we directly jump to the code. So which one is better for you guys? Sky, if you are speaking, you guys are on mute.
And directly jump into the code.
What about rest of you guys? Example and then coding. Okay. What about rest of you? What about
Yes.
if we do examples and code simultaneously? That works for you?
Oh, sir.
All right,
Yes.
all right. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one today. Okay, so we will be doing semantic locators today. Don't worry. Let me dive into the code first, and then we will get it through examples as well. Okay, all right. As I already said, today we are not going to do a very major topic. That would be very simple and very easy topic. So don't worry. Okay, all right. All right. So this is the same website we are going to use today. All right. And let me copy the code again. As I said, we are not going to do something very much difficult today. All right. So I hope that would help. All right. Let me open VS Code. And guys, what about assignments? Yeah, I am not receiving your assignments. Why so? And I told you guys, if you are unable to do the assignments, guys, DM me with the reason and the end on which I can get your assignments. So I'm not getting that. Why? Let's talk about assignment first and then we will talk about something else. Okay. I will call you name by name and you guys have to tell me about the assignment. Abhilash, I guess your assignments are submitted. Anita, are your I guess yours also submitted. Anmol, is your assignment submitted? All the assignments till lecture 6 at least.
No, sir.
Okay, so you have to DM me with the reason. I
Yeah.
guess you already DM me with the reason, but you have to give me an end date by which
Yeah.
your assignments can be reviewed. Okay, Badram, what's your reason? I guess your assignments
I
are
submitted yesterday night only.
okay. Your assignments are submitted, that means.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we'll review them. And Lena, I guess your assignments are submitted,
Yes.
right?
Yes. No, no. Two assignments are submitted, but
Okay,
I give the reason
okay.
already.
Okay, I will review it. No worries.
Okay.
Uh, Jagruti, I guess are your assignments completed? Because when I checked last, I guess some assignments were, are these completed in lecture 6 minimum?
Yes.
All right, I will review them today. Mohit, your assignments are not.
Yeah. I'll just ping you.
If you guys want complete that assignments, then I don't see you anywhere. If you guys are not doing those short assignments, the assignments are very short. Trust me, very short. Not more than 10 lines assignment. Not even a single line assignment is there that is more than 10 lines. Okay. So you guys have to complete it anyhow.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
No.
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 Yes.
Yes. In the input box, the email at example.com. Maybe we'll be calling it as.
email@example.com.
Say your
Enter your
password.
password.
We can provide the placeholder value and it accepts fill method. All right. Now read these two lines and tell me if you guys have any confusions in this.
No.
Okay. Now read these two lines. Read this line. This line we already did, right?
Yes. Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So any confusions in this line?
No. We are just waiting for the network to load.
Yes, we are waiting for the network to become idle. That means we are waiting for all the APIs to
Got it.
become completely loaded. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cool, guys. Okay. So now these four steps will log in into the website, right?
Yes.
So let's log in. Okay. Mm. All right. All right. Now we are clicking on. Okay, we are page dot get by role name orders. If I'm not wrong, we are clicking on this. Let me check if the name is orders. Yes, it's a button and we are clicking on this. All right, let's click this. Okay, I'm deleting all the items. All right. Wait for the table to load. I guess that table was required. So let's add some products. Okay. All right, guys. Any confusions in this? What does this line do? Guys, what does this line do?
It will wait for the
Will
locator
wait for
to
it
appear.
will wait for the locator to appear, right? To load. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, we written first button and name order means we have to click that button, correct? Await page dot get by role.
See, get by role is a method used to find locators. What is the role of that? What is the role of that element? That element is a button.
Button.
And now, what is the name of that button? Name is orders. Okay, clear? Is
Okay,
this
sir.
clear?
Yes.
So, tell me if you guys have any confusions in this line. Tell me, guys, if you have any confusions in this line.
No.
No. No.
See, what it is doing, I will tell you. Let's come to this. Let me log out and log in once again, okay? Okay, do we have any orders? Go back to the cart. Let's add some orders, okay? All right. Okay. Now I want to show you guys one thing. Mm, okay. So this is the locator that we are using, right? Mm-hmm. It says zero element matching. Are we on the correct page here?
Yeah. Nikhil, can you please show it on the elements tab, like how it is traversing? Because there is no. Yeah, from T body to TR, like TH, right? It's okay. Yeah. దాంట్లో ఆల్రెడీ చూడండి కొంచెం yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah, yes, Nicole. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Mm,
Yeah, clear.
yes.
Automatically click on that view button that has
Yeah.
Yes. To get time.
Yeah, through four loop.
yeah, right. We did it for through the for loop.
Look. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
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 Right.
And I want to click on this. This is called limiting the scope of locators. This concept is called limiting the scope. What is this concept called?
Limiting the scope of locators.
Do you understand how did we limit the scope? We limited here from page to row and now rows to matched row. Okay. We are not in this step, we are not searching on the complete page. We are searching in just in the matched row. Okay. This is called the limiting of the scope of the page. Okay. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
This is again very important concept. The interviewer can ask you to optimize your code without using a for loop. This is how you will perform it without for loop. Now, who was comparing Selenium and Playwright in the morning? I guess
Bustling up.
Baslinga. Huh? Baslinga, can Selenium do this?
No,
No.
no, sir.
This is exactly where Playwright wins. Okay.
Yes.
I'm not comparing, I'm just telling these things cannot be done in Selenium. You can optimize your code in Playwright. This is the function, this is the power. You can limit the scope, but you can't do this filtration and everything. Okay. All right. So I am hoping that things are clear till here, and this is just a console statement. Now we have to click on the view button, right? So let's click on this view button. And we already did this page, right? We already checked this page earlier. Am I right or not? No, we didn't check this. It was the cart page. So summary header. In summary header, what is the summary header? Mhm. What is the locator? Dot email title. We will verify that this is appearing on our page. Okay. This is appearing and this has the text order summary only, right? Am I right?
Yes.
And there is a loading spinner on this page. Let's verify. Then, so that is we check it. Something is hidden by to be hidden method. How do we check it? To be hidden using to be hidden method. All right. Am I clear, guys?
Nikhil, one doubt.
Go
Like
ahead.
if it's hidden, how we are able to locate that element then locator? Can you show that? Okay. Yes. Run in debug mode, Nick. Let's see.
All
Sure.
Oh,
Yes.
all right. Maybe my mind is somewhere else. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Someone has raised hand. Someone has raised his hand. We will come to that concept. Don't worry. Okay. See, first of all, I will tell you the theoretical concept. If you have pagination, then you have to verify. You will iterate all the products. If you didn't find the product on the first page, then you will perform the pagination function. Then you will move to the next page. You will have to scan. If you find the, see, it's again the for loop. You will scan. You didn't find, if your product is not found, then if else condition. If the product is not found, move to the next page. If the product is found, perform the action and break. That's why we were using break and scanning all the products. All right. Love, is it clear?
Yes, clear it now.
See, we have to combine if else and for loop and nothing else. Okay. All right. All right, right. Where were we? Okay. You guys want me to run it in the debugger mode, right?
Yeah. Yes.
See, first step is await page dot go to. Okay, it has reached to the page. Now in the next step, it will log in. Okay, I'm fast forwarding the login steps. All right. Now it has reached this, and now we will redirect to orders page. Now observe here, it will get the target ID. Okay, the first product is our target ID. All right,
Yes.
we got the target ID. Now in this matched row, we will get the matched row. Because see, first row was our matched row, that why it picked up instantly. Okay. Now we have matched row. Now we are verifying that summary header is visible. Okay. See, it's
Yes.
visible. All right. It should have text order summary. It has, right? Now loading spinner should be hidden. It is hidden. All right. Now it will print and passed. All right. Clear? Is this clear, guys?
Yeah. Yes, Nick.
Yes, clear.
All right. Any doubts, guys, in this lecture? I told you that this would be a short lecture, and from the next lecture, we will be doing just from the tomorrow, we will be doing alerts and frames. We'll take one more than one probably on that. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Any doubts in this lecture, guys?
Nothing from my end, Nick.
Lovepreet, wait, bro. We are still doing front end automation. We have not reached
Okay, okay,
framework part, yeah.
okay,
Why are
okay.
you so fast, man? We will do cover everything. We have just covered 50% of the course today. Okay. 50% is
Okay,
still
okay.
late. We are on the front end automation. How we can do framework part and front end automation, right?
Yeah, sure.
All right, all right. Okay, one quick observation from our recent resume and interview discussion. Most rejections doesn't happen due to lack of skills, but due to unclear positioning and explaining. So if you ever feel stuck there, you can DM me anytime. No urgency, just sharing. All right, guys. So thank you for attending today's class. Bye bye and have a great day. And also, guys, feedbacks are must. Do poll on the feedbacks. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you for attending the lecture.